she left you. And for a while, that silence was louder than anything you'd ever heard. You kept asking yourself what you did wrong, why she walked away, how everything that once felt like forever could vanish in a moment. You tried to replay every conversation, every fight, every memory, but none of it gave you peace. The truth is, she didn't leave to hurt you. She left to build the man you were meant to become. Every great man has a story of loss. A moment when life ripped something away from him, forcing him to wake up. This was yours. You see, you were comfortable. You were giving love, but not direction. You were showing effort, but not discipline. You thought love was enough, but it never is. Love without purpose makes a man weak, and life doesn't let weakness survive. She saw a version of you that wasn't finished yet. She saw your potential, but she couldn't wait for it to grow. So she left, and that's when your evolution began. The pain you feel right now isn't punishment. It's the process. Pain is how growth introduces itself. Every sleepless night, every heavy breath, every moment you think you can't move on, that's life building you. It's shaping you into something stronger, something more focused, something unstoppable. You used to chase her. Now you chase goals. You used to look at your phone for her name. Now you look at your calendar, your workouts, your plans. You used to wonder if she missed you. Now you wonder how far you can push yourself. That's transformation. The gym became your therapy. The grind became your healing. The silence became your teacher. You realized that the world doesn't owe you closure. You owe yourself progress. You realized that she wasn't your loss. She was your lesson. And that's the thing about lessons. They hurt, but they never leave you empty. They leave you better. You start to notice your mindset shifting. The same things that used to break you, now they build you. The same emotions that used to drown you, now they drive you. You're becoming something new. You don't talk as much anymore. You don't explain yourself. You don't chase people to make them understand you, because you finally understood yourself. You've learned that silence is power, that focus is peace, that purpose is everything. And here's the truth most people never learn. She didn't leave because you weren't enough. She left because she wasn't ready for the man you were meant to be. She left to make space for your evolution. She left so you could meet yourself. You stopped needing validation. You stopped searching for love in places that only gave you pain. You became the kind of man who wakes up with fire, with clarity, with a reason. You stopped waiting for someone to save you. You saved yourself. And now, when you look back, you don't feel anger. You feel gratitude, because without her leaving, you would have stayed asleep. Without the heartbreak, you wouldn't have found your hunger. Without the pain, you wouldn't have found your power. So remember this. She didn't destroy you. She revealed you. She showed you the parts of yourself that needed fixing. She showed you that love doesn't always last, but lessons do. One day you'll see her again. Maybe across a room, maybe across a screen, and you'll realize something powerful. You're no longer the man she left. You're the man her leaving built. You'll smile, not because you want her back, but because you finally understand. Everything she took was temporary. Everything you built after was permanent. So don't cry for the ending. Thank it. Don't curse the pain. Use it. Don't hide from the loss. Learn from it. Because every time life breaks you, it's showing you who you're capable of becoming. And this time, it turned you into a man who no longer chases love. He attracts it. A man who no longer begs for peace. He becomes it. She left you to build the man she couldn't handle. The man she dreamed of but couldn't stand next to. The man who walks with discipline, with peace, with power. Now you move different. You think different. You live different. Because you finally met the real you. And once a man meets his purpose and he never goes back.